Hello, you gorgeous people out there. Hope you all are doing good. So, yeah, today is a first impression of a product. So, that is a Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation. So, today I'll use the product for first time in front of you guys, and I'll apply the half face product with the beauty blender and the half face with a brush to show you the effect and to analyze the effect, how it comes with the brush and how it comes with the beauty blender. So you can see I'm just barefaced today. I have applied no makeup, nothing. I've just applied moisturizer and that's it. So I'll apply primer and then foundation. So this is the product I'm talking about here. So because this is not a review, it's kind of a review you can say, but this is not an actual review. Okay, so today I'll just share a first impression. First time I'll use on my face and I'll share my honest opinion for first time what I'm feeling about this product. It's light or heavy and etc etc. So first of all, let's talk about the packaging. This is the outer box you will receive like this. So it looks really luxurious from the outer box. So this is Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation and you are getting 35 ml of product, which is a decent amount for a foundation. So we'll talk about the price. The price is almost about 3,300. Yeah, and I've bought this from Nykaa, and you are getting 2 years of shelf life, so it's quite decent. And it's made in Italy product. Everything is written here. So here is all the ingredients are mentioned, which is really good. And the directions of usage, how you can use it, here it's mentioned. Okay, so let me tell you my shade. My shade is Amrity 310G. G for golden undertone and N for neutral undertone. So let's see what does it claims. It claims high coverage cream foundation. Okay, effortless application, camouflages imperfections and pigmentation. So, and filter finish. Let's see. You will open the box and you will see express the selfie. Here it's written. It's really cute. Ta-da! And here's the original packaging. This is the original product. So you can see the packaging is quite luxurious. I really love the packaging. It's really nice and so handy. And the thing is, this is not a glass bottle. This is a plastic bottle, which is good. It's travel friendly, and if you drop, in case if you drop, it will not break out. So which is really nice. And you are getting a tight closure, which is quite good. You can get the sound. Yeah, and the best part is it comes with a pump. I really love foundations or products those you know contain pump, because it just maintain the hygienity. You don't have to put your fingers again and again to take out the product, so it's really hygienic. And the second part is you can manage the quantity of the product. You can just drop one pump or two pump and that's it. Otherwise you have to just put it like this and then you have to take it. It's a mess. So yeah, let's get started with the demo. And I have just washed my face. I've applied moisturizer, Mamaearth moisturizer, and that's it. And you can see this is primer. I'm using MAC primer. You can use any primer, or if you have a Huda Beauty primer, you can also use that. You can use facial oils too. So here we go. One pump. That's it. So on the half face, I'll show you with the beauty blender, and on the half face, I'll show you with the brush. So I'm applying in a dotting motion. Wow, the fragrance is amazing. I really love the fragrance. It's a very pleasant scent, you might say. So I'm using with a brush. I'm using here PAC Platinum S02 or S02 brush, stippling brush. Okay. Wow, I really love the formula, I might say. It's really soft. It's really lovely, lovely. I'm just loving it. And you can see the shade is quite matchy with my skin tone. Yeah, it has a pretty good coverage. So yeah, I'm done with the brush. You can see the effect. I really love the effect, I might say, and you can see the coverage. It has a pretty good coverage. OMG, I really love it. Wow. And it's nothing like that. It doesn't feel heavy on face or cakey on face. It's not patchy. It's awesome. And you can see here I have a few spots, and here it's invisible. Wow. So let's start it with this part, and you can see with one pump I have just finished my half face and I have left product. So I'll apply on this side as well with my fingertips. So with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm using a PSE Diamond Beauty Blender, obviously wet beauty blender. Just apply it. Let's see. Okay, so with a beauty blender you have to be really fast. What I'm feeling about it, it's just setting very quickly with the help of a beauty blender. Oh my gosh, it's setting so quickly. Where is my mirror? Yeah. Okay. So you can see a patch over here, patches and all. But you can see the coverage difference. So yeah, I'm done with the beauty blender. You can see. So the one thing what I noticed is with the beauty blender you need to be very fast, otherwise it just settles down very quickly, and you can say just in a while. So you need to be very fast, okay? Otherwise, personally I love applying with the brush. Amazing. You can also apply with the beauty blender, and I really love the foundation. I really enjoy using this one. I really love it. And yeah, that was for today. See you soon guys on my next video, and that's it. So I'm done with my full makeup, and you can see now the effect. So I highly recommend you guys, if you are in search of a good foundation, you want to invest in a good product, you can definitely go for Huda Beauty foundation. And yeah, and the thing is, please subscribe to my channel if you are new viewer, and please hit the bell icon to get all the notifications, and also share my videos to your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.